India lives in its villages, but these villages are beset with poverty, hunger, diseases, exploitation, and social discrimination. Fired by the zeal to change the face of rural India, four young graduate engineers, supported by the great Sarvodaya leader Jaiprakash Narayan, formed Nav Bharat Jagriti Kendra in 1971. The mission was to educate, organize, and empower the rural populace. The vision was to establish a progressive, peaceful, indiscreet, and a just society. Over the past 3 decades, Nav Bharat Jagriti Kendra has been promoting development as the liberating force to ensure social justice, economic growth, and self-reliance in the villages and urban slums. From the humble beginnings from Bahera village in the Chauparan block in Hazaribagh district of eastern India, our networks are now covered in 600 panchayats of Bihar and Jharkhand state. We have been working to improve and integrate our villages by improving health and sanitation, education, self-employment, integrated tribal development, small group support and advocacy, and governance. Our main aim is mass awakening, and our core competence lies in microcredit, community healthcare, solid waste management, Panchayati Raj, project planning, precision agriculture, and organizational development. Women's empowerment comes through their overall development. Our microcredit program strengthens this drive through more than 2,000 self-help group and 400 joint liability group. 66.6 million rupees have been dispersed as loan among some 30,000 women members and 19.1 million rupees loan to 1,780 members of JLGs. This has made the women self-dependent, aware of their decision-making power in the family, and the vital issue of educating the girl child. Value adding to this is our Credit Plus and Swa Shakti projects, which have improved the social, educational, political, cultural, and health status of the women in the villages. An aim to provide professional training and placement to rural and urban youths, Nav Bharat Jagriti Kendra has collaborated with CAP Foundation to run employability training centers in the region. Family counseling sessions are held on various issues, ranging from family disputes, gender discrimination to social evils. Our activities have helped to remove social evils such as witchcraft and alcoholism. Manav Jodo, integrating people, has been our ambition from the very start. For this, we provide aid and support for inter-caste and inter-religion marriages. To promote communal harmony, we hold seminars, rallies, and cultural activities to educate the people. Free medical checkups, vaccination and pregnancy tests, plus distribution of medicines are regular processes to serve the underprivileged. In addition to this, we are running eye hospitals to provide eye care services at affordable prices to the poor and needy populace in the region. Educating the adolescent girls on sexual knowledge is also the key thrust area for us. Our interaction has increased awareness in women about reproductive and child health and malnutrition. Navbharat Jagriti Kendra has done pioneering work in assessing mental disorder in Bihar and Jharkhand. The patients no longer have the trouble of reaching hospitals. Now, the doctors and medical facilities of Ranchi Institute of Neuropsychiatrics and Allied Sciences, RINPAS, come to them. Cleanliness is next to godliness. This proverb is our guiding spirit to keep our body and mind fit. Our model is the Clean Jharkhand Project, a community-based social waste management program running since 2002. This unique sanitation effort has evolved into collection of door-to-door waste with the help of urban local bodies. A millboard production unit has been set up to produce green millboard from waste papers and road sweeps. Navbharat Jagriti Kendra is actively working to raise the literacy level in the region, with special emphasis on higher education for girls in the rural areas. We run both non-formal and formal education centers. Underprivileged and dropouts of 7th to 10th standard children are given special coaching classes. Navbharat Jagriti Kendra felt the need of aberrant, destitute and orphan children who have been identified and given proper care under close and homely atmosphere. NBJK set up Lord Buddha Home for Children in the year 2004 in Bodh Gaya, which has identified 27 children and enrolled them in the center. The tribal population is around 32% in the region to improve their state of living. Navbharat Jagriti Kendra launched Integrated Tribal Development Program in 1996. The program features holistic development of women, children, disabled and the displaced, especially amongst the poorest of the poor. The thrust is social economic development through community assets like farm ponds and check dams, low-cost buildings. Resurgence of the New India, deriving its name from this prayer and hope. Navbharat Jagriti Kendra symbolizes the message of Jai Prakash Narayan, who wanted Lok Samiti, community organization, to bloom in every village to strengthen our democratic system at the grassroots level. Since 1980, we've been actively spreading this concept of check and balance of power. We have built Lok Samiti in 700 panchayats of Bihar and Jharkhand. Accumulating more than 6,300 members in this region of Eastern India. Our achievement was holding of panchayat elections in Bihar in 2001 after a gap of 27 years. We have launched a public campaign for holding panchayat election in Jharkhand too.
जिन क्षेत्रों में हम काम कर रहे हैं वहाँ लोगों में काफ़ी जागरूकता आई है हर मामले में। अपने अधिकारों के लिए जागरूक बने हैं, सरकारी सुविधाओं के बारे में जागरूक बने हैं, स्वास्थ्य के बारे में, शिक्षा के बारे में, हर मामले में लोगों में काफ़ी जागरूकता आई है। और हम लोगों ने जो भी शिक्षा का, स्वास्थ्य का, या जो हम लोगों ने कृषि विकास का काम किया है, रोज़गार मुहैया कराने का काम किया है, वहाँ तो साफ तौर से कुछ अंतर दिखता है।
Working with total transparency, Nav Bharat Jagriti Kendra has a unique combination of both professional and social activists. At present, there are 323 well-qualified staff serving various disciplines. Our commitment and dedications have been blessed by the aid and support of reputed national and international donor agencies. This has helped us to expand from our base at Bahera of Chauparan block. And we now have well-equipped coordination office in Hazaribagh. Our branch offices are in several locations of Jharkhand and Bihar.
We have a strategy to work for the poor class. Most of our volunteers, you will find that they are professionally qualified, they are very competent, and also they have social motivations. These are the qualities which makes NBJK different from other NGOs, donor agencies who are some philanthropic view, who want to change the society, who have some sympathy for the poor. We should request them that NBJK, which is working for the poor and which do commitment, they will find NBJK very friendly and very good organization, which is implementing their ideas, which is implementing their mission in true sense.
4 engineers took up the challenge to build a new India through Nav Bharat Jagriti Kendra. Our message is putting the last first. The woods are lovely, dark and deep. I have my promises to keep, and miles to go before I sleep, and miles to go before I sleep. Come, lend a hand in this noble cause in turning the wheel of social change.